can you start by telling me just a little bit about yourself and your role here at Brennan?
Sure. So I've been with Brennan for about 13 years, and I've done a variety of different roles. But currently, I oversee all of our distribution globally as the Vice President of Operations.
So tell me a little bit about Brennan's approach to inventory management and how it maybe differs from more traditional practices.
As supply chains have kind of gotten shorter over the years and some of the fluff has been taken out, manufacturers are really asked to do more value add. Value add can mean lots of different things, but essentially it's getting an understanding of what your customers' processes are and how we can take some of the non-value add activities out of it. Some of the things that perhaps we can do at our dock so they don't have to do it on their dock. That might be being able to receive by ASN. It could be already barcoding it with their barcode. It could be having their bin ID on it so it can go straight to stock. It could be a custom package solution. If they're in a retail environment, we'll do individual packaging with private label. If they're in an OEM environment, we might do compound returnable bins. So it just depends on what type of business they're doing, and then we need to be flexible and do a tailored approach to that.
And how is that different from what competitors are doing?
Some of those manufacturers that perhaps made a great product and did it at a great price, but then said, here are our terms and this is how we do business, they just didn't survive. It's not enough just to say, we've manufactured a great product at a great price. Now it's how do you actually get it to your customer efficiently? So we're having to be really flexible and do a custom tailored approach to every single solution.